Are you ready to create the next big thing in crypto? Take your first step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency by building a Binance clone. Let's build a Binance clone together. Creating a Binance clone involves several complex steps, so it's important to be patient and follow each step carefully. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Binance clone. Step 1. Choose a programming language. Binance is built using different programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, Go, and C++. You can choose any of these languages. Step 2. Set up the development environment. To start building your Binance clone, you will need to have a development environment set up. You can use any IDE or code editor of your choice. However, we recommend using Visual Studio Code. Step 3. Install the necessary libraries and packages. To create a Binance clone, you will need to install some libraries and packages. Step 4. Create a database. You will need to create a database to store user data, transactions, and other information. You can use MySQL or MongoDB as your database. Step 5. Design the user interface. Binance has a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily navigate through the platform. You will need to design a similar interface for your Binance clone. You can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design the user interface. Step 6. Build the authentication system. Binance has a robust authentication system that ensures the security of user data. You will need to build a similar authentication system for your Binance clone. Step 7. Integrate payment gateways. To allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you will need to integrate payment gateways. You can use payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, or Braintree to allow users to make payments. Step 8. Build the trading engine. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange platform, which means it needs a trading engine to facilitate transactions. You will need to build a trading engine that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Step 9. Test your Binance clone. Once you have built your Binance clone, it's important to test it thoroughly to ensure that it's functioning correctly. You can use testing frameworks like Mocha or Jest to test your platform. Step 10. Launch your Binance clone. Finally, you can launch your Binance clone and start promoting it to attract users. You can use social media, advertising, and other marketing strategies to promote your platform. In conclusion, creating a Binance clone is a complex process that involves several steps. However, by following this step-by-step guide, you can create a platform that's similar to Binance and offers users a similar experience. If you're looking for an easy and cost-effective way to build your own crypto exchange like Binance, at Appticz, we provide customizable Binance clone that are designed to meet the specific needs of your business. Get free demo at appticz.com.